How's it going, everyone? It's Dylan with EDB here, and I've been making knives lately, so I'm gonna try to make a kitchen knife. It's gonna look something like this. I don't know. I'm gonna do my best, but here's gonna be the process. I'm gonna be trying to do more videos like this, so if you like what I'm doing, well, you know the drill. Alright, so what just happened was I cut the metal to length. I cut it 10 inches long, and now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be drawing on a template for the knife. I'm going to use this knife's handle for a general length of what a knife handle length should be. Other than that, that's about all I'm using that handle for, and I'm going to freehand it, so hopefully I'll make my sister proud. She's an artist. Alright, here's my really rough sketch. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to take it out, hit it with an angle grinder. I really need to get a bandsaw, but I don't have one at the moment. But yeah, I'm going to hit it with an angle grinder, get it to shape, and then I'll start with the forge. Alright, here we are, a little overview. I got most of the rough shape done, and I ground the handle down a little bit to make it smooth. So now what I gotta do is, I gotta drill some holes. I'm gonna drill 3 holes, I'm gonna put 3 pins in it. I'm not gonna do that little full like tang thing. I'm not really quite sure how to do that, nor do I have the tools to do it. But right now I'm gonna drill 3 holes, and those are gonna be the holes for the pin, which when I have a handle material, that's yeah, where the pins are gonna go for the handle.
Don't you say a word, cause I've heard it all. You were just pain when you felt it all. Oh. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, gave my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Is gone. Once you leave me, it's over. No turning back, not today. Don't you come running back now. I'm not a home for the shadow. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. Ooh, baby, ain't no one like you. You chose to keep the truth inside. Ooh, baby, gave my all to you. All you did was tell me lies. Something tells me that I won't miss it. It's the first time that we can't fix it.
Okay, so I got my holes drilled. The next thing I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna take it to the belt sander and I'm gonna bevel in a blade. Not a blade, an edge. And then once I get a rough edge in, it's gonna be a really rough edge. I'm gonna throw it in the forge. I'm gonna texture the top part of this, give it some cool little divot looking things, and then I am going to quench it. All right.
It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone. I won't resist, no. It's irreversible damage done. The thrill is gone.
Alright, so I got the edge beveled and it looks pretty good. But being me, when I bought forging tongs, I bought a size too big and they can't grab 3mm steel or 1/8 inch steel. So what I did is I got a clothes hanger and I opened it up, and that's gonna be my extra bulk so I can actually grab this thing. Yeah, let's hopefully get some new tongs here before too long, but I'm gonna throw this in the forge, get that all lit up, and then I'm gonna put some cool little dimples in above the bevel right there. Alright, so here's the knife after it's been quenched. We're going to see how the divots turn out. Right now I'm going to start hand sanding it because I'm too dumb to buy a wire brush attachment for my angle grinder. But this is what we got. I'm going to start hitting it with some, I believe, 220 grit sandpaper, and I'm going to take this scale off and then I'll give you guys another little bit better preview of it. Went with a single bevel. I'm hoping that the bevel I put on it before I quenched it wasn't too thin and cracked the blade, but I guess we'll see when we get there. Alright, so I think that's all I'm going to be able to get done today. I'm going to end up going and actually buying a wire brush so I can actually get in the cracks and then the bevels and everything. But right now, I'm really enjoying how it's looking, and I hope it keeps turning out kind of the way it is. This is the second chef's knife I've made, so I think it's turning out pretty well. Just trying to get some experience. Well, I'm going to post this video as a part 1. A part 2 will be coming where I have handle materials and I have everything else I need to finish the knife. Alright, till next time.